Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Subscribe.
Subscribe who?
No, subscribe where?
Subscribe where?
Down below. Hey, everybody. It's John and Megan. And guess what? We're back in the basement. And today we're going to be showing you guys some really cool items that we sold on eBay over the past 24 hours. Right, Francis?
Yep.
We sold over $200 worth of merchandise. So we're going to show you guys real quick the neat items that we sold so that we can pay the bills. And if you would, speaking of paying the bills, if you would go down below and you would hit that like button and you would watch this video and share it with your friends, that would help us pay more bills. And we have 3 kids, 3 dogs, and 4 cats, and one of them's huge. So yeah, I'll try to put a picture of him right here. And he's a big boy. He's a chunky cat. Toby the chunky cat.
Fat Toby.
Fat Toby, that's his name. So give me an item so we can show these people something that we sold that's pretty cool.
Well, it's not super
Oh my gosh, they're already leaving. They're leaving as soon as I show this. We sold this, it sold for like a couple bucks.
Yeah, $3.
Yeah, just put that back on the table.
Yeah.
I was a bad buy from years ago, and every once in a while one will come up and
we have only 2 left now.
Yeah. We sold this OBD. It sounds like something from like Star Wars, an OBD2. OBD2, you're our only hope. Anyways, we sold this scanner, and these are not the droids you're looking for. Anyways, my wife gets her head hit all the time. But we sold this for how much? $50 plus shipping. Not too bad. I'll take that. It's way better than $2. People are laughing at me going, how are you a full-time eBayer selling $2 DVDs? It worked. The next item that we have here is this Upwards. We sold it on eBay. It's pretty cool. Factory sealed. Not too bad. How much did it sell for?
$13.45 plus
Whoa, she's going through puberty. Her voice is cracking. $13.45.
I had a little cold this week.
She had a little cold. The next item that we have here is the Coffee House Murders. How much did it sell for?
$7 plus shipping.
$7 plus shipping sprinkled on top. Okay, guys, the next item that we sold is this really awesome hat. I love hats. This is a really cool 90s bright blue and yellow Jeff Gordon DuPont racing. Jeff Gordon is the best race car driver that's ever existed. And we sold his hat for how much, Francis?
14 plus shipping.
14 plus shipping. I went like this so people are going to think I'm part of the Illuminati now. There's a conspiracy on our channel that we're like part of the New World Order. She's actually reptilian. I'm telling you guys, she's got that negative RH factor in her blood. So like, she's kind of cold. She's kind of cold. One of these days she's going to rip her face off like on the TV show V, and there's going to be some lizard thing underneath there. And I'm going to find that incredibly hot. Next item that we have here is this big old tent. We sold this. It's a little kid's tent. Kind of cool. And how much did it sell for?
$14 plus shipping.
$14 plus shipping. Oh, those are pretty. We've got this beautiful like amethyst necklace set. It's pretty. How much did it sell for?
$40 plus shipping.
$40 plus shipping. That's pretty awesome. I love jewelry. Don't be sleeping on jewelry, people. Jewelry will make you some big bucks. Like, that's just like a little thing that I picked up at an auction or a yard sale, and he sold it for $40. That's a lot of Chinese. It's a lot of Mexican food. We had Mexican last night. I got the burrito with the white cheese sauce on it and some rice, and she got the old favorite.
I either get chicken or steak fajitas.
Chicken or steak fajitas. Let us know down below when you go to Mexican, if you go to Mexican, what do you get? I sometimes get what they call a molcajete, and they bring it out in this volcanic lava bowl, and they put like cheese and avocado, which she loves because she gets half the cheese and all the avocado. She gets it comes with cactus and onions and chicken and steak. Pretty good. You're not here for that, though. You're here for this. The next item that we sold is this R.L. Stine book, and it's another home run, but I love this stuff. I can't help it. I will sell this stuff. As long as it gets into the hand of someone who loves it, they paid $8 for it shipped. I don't care. I'm going to sell this stuff, people. You can make fun of me all you want, and so you're just selling cheap junk, but that's okay, because it's about people getting stuff that they love and that they care about. And stuff that's cool, like R.L. Stine. My favorite is this sold already. I can't believe I just listed it last night. But it is a little Care Bear, little guy, about 6 inches. Has the original paperwork with him. I sold them for $15 plus shipping, and I know that because I listed them last night, and it's fresh in my noggin. You know what it tells me when I listed something last night and it sold today? What's it tell us, Megan?
You listed it too cheap.
I listed it way too cheap, so it could have been like a $25 Care Bear for all I know, because it's like an original. I can't see it because I wait. I can see. Look, it's Drew Carey. Guest appearance by Drew Carey. It is number 74. I don't know. There's no date on it. Kenner. There's no date on it. There's. I was looking. I ain't gonna open the tag up to see, but it's got to be from the It's got to be. I've got so much 80s girl stuff in my store. People are going to come in and accuse me of being an 80s girl or something, because I've got a bunch of strawberry shortcakes and Care Bears and Cabbage Patch Kids. I've got more of that stuff than anything, because you girls took good care of your stuff, and us boys were burying our G.I. Joes in the backyard and blowing up our Hot Wheels with firecrackers because we're dumb. Next item that we have here is this sexy Miami Hurricanes jersey. It's youth or little lady size, either way. It's pretty good. Speaking of pictures, I have a couple pictures that I took today of my wife wearing some cool coats when we went out to the flea market, so I'm going to pop them up on the screen, and I'm going to let you guys see her in all of her splendor. See, she's happy. She's so happy. I just do it to make her happy, because I love her so much.
Anyway, that sold for $15 plus shipping.
$15 plus shipping on top.
Well, here's just some Tai Chi.
Woo! Speaking of Chinese, there's some Tai Chi for seniors, and a workout, but maybe for seniors. But these are all Tai Chi VHS tapes for seniors, by seniors. Can you do a crane kick, Megan?
I don't know what that is.
It's the freaking, he goes, and then he does a jump front kick and hits the guy in the head, because they're like, sweep the leg, Johnny, and they hurt his leg, so he's got one leg up,
okay,
and he brings one leg up, and then he kicks him. I know, because I took karate. I have a 2nd degree red belt in Taekwondo. I don't have to use it on anyone, because these hands are registered as lethal weapons. Deadly, some would say. This is the last thing. This is a DVD for hunting. It must be coming up on fox hunting season or whatever they're hunting there. I don't like hunting. I don't mind hunting. I don't care if you hunt, but it's cold. Look how cold it is. Who wants to go out in the woods in the wintertime and shoot stuff? It just does not sound like fun. I get my food from the refrigerator, and it magically appears there. I don't know how that happens, but maybe she has something to do with it. But that is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed me being dumb and her being pretty. And if you would, go down below and hit that like button. And please subscribe to the channel. We're really doing a lot of subscribing right now. We're running a bonus special offer that if you subscribe to the channel right now, that you get more quality content like this for free. Can you believe that, Megan? Can you believe that we are not charging for this content? You've just seen all of the items that we sold on eBay. We sell this stuff and we make money. We made how much today?
It was like $209.08.
And is that with shipping on top?
Yeah.
That's with shipping and everything?
No, plus shipping.
Plus shipping. So that's just the cost of good. That's $200-something. There's probably another 80, 90, $200 million worth of shipping on there. So subscribe is all I'm saying. I'm rambling now and you've all left the channel, but if you're still here and you're a diehard not show me pickers, because we don't do that anymore, Rad Relics fan, then you will subscribe to the channel. So you guys have a good day. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys. Keep on picking and keep on digging. And as always, what is it, Megan?
Remember, the family that picks together
sticks together. God bless you guys. Say it.
What?
God bless you guys.
God bless you guys.
God bless you guys.